I'm going to give you 10 reasons exercise programs fail so you can avoid them. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 1, incomplete programs. Any serious wellness or transformation program needs to be comprehensive. A good program needs to contain a strength training component, a cardio component, and a nutrition component with an emphasis on what's needed most for success. For example, someone training for bodybuilding isn't going to emphasize distance running, and a distance runner isn't going to lift heavy weights. Number 2, not emphasizing nutrition first. Food is either medicine or it's poison. If you need to lose fat, a solid meal plan is 70 to 75% of the basis of your success. Starting an exercise program and failing to address nutrition first is just plain dumb. You have to feed your body the right fuel to exercise, have energy, keep up with the increase in activity, and furthermore, really get your metabolism moving. Number 4, avoiding endurance training. Avoiding endurance training is mostly a mistake made by men. You know the guys I'm talking about. They're over 40 and get back to the gym to work on their big arms when they really need to be working on getting rid of their big gut. That means making cardio a priority. Cardio is also a major component of heart health, which becomes more of an issue as we grow older. Number 5, overtraining. This one is sad, and it happens because most folks begin exercising with no instruction. In addition, most folks are impatient, and they have nobody to help them establish realistic goals on a timetable with a plan to accomplish them. So they work out like an animal for a week, then they are so sore that they lose all the motivation they had when they started. It's totally unnecessary. Number 6, no warm-up or cool-down. Whether you haven't worked out in a while or whether you've been exercising regularly, most people don't put any time into preparing their body for exercise. This is essential, especially as you get older. You have to warm up the car before you put the pedal to the metal, otherwise you're just asking to break something and be in the repair shop. And trust me, you don't want to go there. Number 7, no stretching. Not stretching is asking for injury, and it's not if, it's when. Stretching and attention to flexibility must be a part of your warm-up and cool-down routine. The more you exercise, the more you have to stretch. Use dynamic stretching before you work out and static stretching afterward. I preach this all the time, but some folks just don't listen until it's too late. Don't let this happen to you. Number 8, no post-workout nutrition. Why is it important to feed your body a certain way after exercise? Because the right nutrition after exercise will accelerate your recovery, dramatically refuel glycogen, and reduce soreness dramatically. Anytime you perform intense exercise or strength training, pay attention to nutrition after the workout. Fuel up and feel the difference. Number 9, no professional guidance. Go to any gym this week and you'll see it all over the place. The blind leading the blind. Often well-meaning in intention, but incredibly misinformed and uneducated folks will ruin or even injure you. You wouldn't ask just anyone to give you financial or legal advice, would you? You invest in experts to get expert advice. That's why you should seek advice from a professional coach. As the saying goes, you get what you pay for. Number 10, no accountability. It's extremely difficult to be accountable to yourself. Most people left to their own devices will revert to old lifestyle patterns. It's called the rubber band effect. That's not where you want to be. You have to work hard to break free and adopt new lifestyle patterns. Having a coach hold you accountable to your plan and implementation is essential. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to discover 10 foods that enhance your immune system. That's it. That's all. See you next time.